if you have irritated skin and you're looking for products that are going to calm your skin, or if you have overly sensitive skin and you're looking for Korean skincare products, this video is actually for you. So I got Anua products, and this is my honest review. So this is unsponsored video. This is my honest review after using these products for nearly a month now. Anua is a lifestyle cosmetic brand launched by the founder in South Korea. Anua believes in a relaxing time for the skin and a fulfilling time for yourself. Brand values are relaxing, simplicity, and also focus on a healthy and natural ingredients. Anua has had one of the best-selling toners in 2021 in Olive Young, and Anua products as Heartleaf, which is anti-inflammatory. It does detoxify, and it's also very effective for removing germs and toxin. So Heartleaf removes waste and reduces heat from the skin, and it is suitable for treating inflammatory acne skin. So this is one ingredient in these products. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is this Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. So probably you've seen this product all over your TikTok, and you've seen this Anua Heartleaf Soothing Toner all over your TikTok. So this is Anua Heartleaf Pore Controlling Cleansing Oil. This is a pore controlling cleansing oil that is perfect for removing not only your makeup but also blackhead and sebum, and it's also perfect to use in acne prone skin. It is anti-inflammatory. It has antibacterial property that is helping to soothe the skin and reduce acne. So it is suitable for normal to combination skin, and it does remove makeup, and it doesn't clog your pores. So this is one product from Anua, one product that I've used, and this is one product that I've used and I'm actually liking it. It's one of the cleansing oils that are not breaking my skin. My skin is very sensitive, and it's every product that I use, every cleansing oil that I use are always breaking my skin or giving me very weird bumps all over my chin. So this Anua Pore Control Cleansing Oil has not given me any of that. And this is one product that if you are somebody who is looking for cleansing oil, Korean cleansing oil that is going to remove your makeup and sunscreen like magic, this is one product that you need. So to rinse it off. How does this Anua Pore Control Cleansing Oil leaves my skin? Leaves my skin very clean, and it doesn't strip out my skin natural oil, and it leaves my skin very, very soft. So the next product that I'm going to talk about is this Anua Deep Cleansing Foam. So the Anua Pore Deep Cleansing Foam. This is one cleanser from Anua that knows to soothe redness and breakout, and it does gently cleanses the skin, and it does exfoliate the skin. So and it doesn't clog your pores. So this is one product. It does exfoliate your skin, so you don't want to use it each and every day, and it's for sensitive skin, and it deeply nourishes the skin. And I love that it is only 12 pounds. So this is one cleanser from Korean skincare Anua that you can actually put in your skincare routine, and it will show you how to use it on the skin. This is one of the products that I feel like it's exfoliating the skin. After using it, my skin feels so soft, and I feel like it does exfoliate the skin. So if you're somebody who has open pores like I do, let me come close, then you can see I have a lot of open pores. So I look for products that are going to clean my pores deep. So because if my pores, if I get something that can clean my pores deeply, is just a win-win for me. So I just put a little bit of it in my hands, and I cleanse my skin with it, and let's see if I'm going to leave my skin. So this is it cleans my skin. And you can literally see the debris coming out of my pores, as you can see. So it's actually cleaning my pores deeply. So This is how it leaves my skin, and I feel my skin is, it does goes inside my pores. So it's going to clean your skin. It's going to get all those sebums out of your, it's going to get all the sebums out of your pores and leaves your skin very, very clean. How does this Anua Pore Deep Cleansing Foam leaves my skin? My skin is very soft, and my skin is feeling so soft, and I feel my skin is very clean also. So this is one of the Korean skincare cleanser that you might want to look out for if you're looking for a product that is going to, if you have open pores and you are looking for a product that is going to remove those sebums, or it's going to clean your skin deep inside the pores, you can look for this product. And the next product that I'm going to talk about is this Anua Green Lemon Vitamin C 20%. This is one product that I didn't really like. So this is one product that I feel like after putting it on my skin, this product has very strong vitamin C. So if you're somebody who is starting to use vitamin C, you're going to find this product might be a little bit it has a strong vitamin C. So you will feel it maybe on your eyes, or you might feel it on your eyes, especially on your eyes. So this is according to how I've used it, and it does brighten your skin. It does give you all this one product that if you're going to use it, you want to make sure that you use a sunscreen. You have to follow this product with sunscreen. Vitamin C in nature will make your skin a little bit sensitive, so you want to make sure that you follow it with sunscreen. Another product that I find which is very amazing is this Anua Heartleaf Soothing Toner. So this is one product that if you have irritated skin, it's going to soothe your skin. It's actually going to soothe your skin, and it's going to soothe your skin. So I love using toners. Toners will balance your pH level on your skin. So this is one product from Anua that you want to try. It's very amazing, and I just love the way it does leave my skin. It doesn't have anything that irritates my skin, and I feel like after using this toner, my skin does calm down, which is very amazing. Anua Heartleaf Soothing Toner. This is one toner that is going to soothe your skin, and it does calm the irritation in your skin, and it also safe to use on acne prone skin, and it does hydrate the skin. It is anti-inflammatory. It does hydrate the skin, and it does reduce the moisture loss in the skin. So these are the ingredients which are actually amazing. You can see panthenol there, you can see glycerin. So this is one product that is going to soothe your skin. Next product is the Anua Nano Retinol, and it has a retinol of 0.3%, and it also has niacinamide, and it is a renewing serum. This is Anua Nano Retinol, which has 0.03 retinol, and it has niacinamide. This product is formulated to improve pigmentation. So if you have hyperpigmentation, it does firm the skin, minimize the pores. It does hydrate the skin, even your skin are out. So if you have uneven skin tone, this is one product you can also try from Korea. So this is how this product looks like. I do love it. Look, it's coming out from the bottle, but this is how it looks like. It's just amazing product that you can actually try. So this is one product that you can also try from Anua. Retinols are products that you want to put in your skincare. They brighten your skin to give you that youthful look, and retinols are products that are also going to help you if you have fine lines. These are products that helps with cells renewal. So this is one of the products from Anua that I find very good, especially for brightening the skin, and brighten the skin, gives the skin a very youthful look. So this is one product that I'm going to I'm going to continue using from Anua. I find it very nice product. So these are some of the products that I got from Anua that I find they're just so good, and the ingredients are also very good. There's nothing that can disturb your skin barrier. So far, this is how my skin is. After using a cleansing oil, a cleanser, and using a toner, retinol. So you can actually see how my skin is glowing, and this is how actually I get a glass skin. And also this is how my skin used to be, and this is my skin right now, and it's just amazing. The next product that I'm going to talk about Anua is this Anua Heartleaf Intense Calming Cream. This one, if you have sensitive skin and if you have irritated skin, this is one product that is going to calm your skin instantly. And the good thing about this product is that it has this that helps you to get the product out of the tube, because sometimes, you know, we put our hands in the tube, transferring bacteria from our hands to the tube, which is not actually good. So this is one product you need to try from Anua. I do love it. This is one product that when I feel like my skin is irritated, this is one product that I feel when my skin is irritated, I just go and put it in my skin, and my skin instantly calm down. Anua Heartleaf Intense Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. It does provide deep moisturizing. From inside, it has ceramide, and it also has panthenol. Panthenol helps a lot to strengthen your skin barrier, and it also calms the skin, soothe the skin when my skin is irritated, when my skin becomes very sensitive. This is one product you need for as a moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid, it has ceramide, and I love the fact that it has this to help you get the moisturizer out, so you don't have to put your hands in there to try. It makes your skin feel very calm just immediately. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it gives your skin a calming. It soothes your skin and gives your skin a very good, and it also does moisturize your skin very. If there was one moisturizer that needs to go viral, this Anua Intense Calming Cream is one of them. This is how my skin is. My skin feels very soft, my skin feels very calm, and it feels so good. So if you're somebody who is looking for Korean skincare recommendation, we'll recommend you try Anua products. They want to be consistent with these products. If you're somebody who is going to use this Anua Nano Retinol Serum, you want to make sure in the morning you use a sunscreen, just to avoid, sometimes retinol can be irritating to the skin, so you want to make sure that you use sunscreen. If you go out in the sun, it doesn't irritate your skin. You can actually get them if you are somebody who is looking for Korean skincare recommendation. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you and bye bye.